Full coverage display systems are becoming increasingly feasible. With these systems, people can potentially interact with objects in any part of the room, including behind them. But what is the best way to interact with these environments? Two possible input techniques for such an environment would be the laser pointer, which is a raycasting technique, or a mouse-driven technique such as Nacenta et al.'s perspective cursor. We ran a study comparing these two techniques, and we found that the mouse can be faster for areas in front, while raycasting has large advantages in the rest of the surrounding space.